Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your PicWish app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. You come to apps list and there you're looking for PicWish app or just click on search. Then here add PicWish app, sorry. You add here PicWish, you click on it like this. You come to next step here, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, click on clear cache. So then all you have to do next, so you just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.